Lee, 2019, the TRUMPF Open House. How's it been for you?
It's been really fantastic. We've had over 220 registered visits, which was a little bit up on last year. And for me personally, one of the things is this is my first year as Managing Director for TRUMPF UK. So I'm very pleased to be able to get the numbers as high as last year, which was actually a very high year already. So I'm very pleased to achieve 220 this year.
And congratulations on a year as being Managing Director, and thank you very much for the invitation and inviting MTD. Now, what new technologies have been on display this year?
I think the main focus that we've had this year has been the new TruLaser 5030, which now has 10 kilowatt laser power option, which is now the top power that we provide, including the 8 kilowatt as well, and the additional options, which is the high-speed eco and the adaptive speed control, which really adds value to the production. So now we can also cut faster with the power, but also with the high-speed eco function, we reduce our gas consumption and also further increase the cutting power and speed.
We're going to be doing a product review on that particular product and going into that in a lot more depth. I mean, you're always coming out with new technological advancements. Is that one of the secrets to your success?
Yes, we invest a lot, or the headquarters invest a lot of money in development, and that's one of the most important points in this industry. When I look back over the years, and I've spent 18, 19 years now working for TRUMPF, I remember talking about lasers and saying that 3 kilowatts was the limit of the power which we could run at, and now today we're talking about 10 kilowatts laser power, and the speeds and the productivity has increased so much over those years. It's quite unbelievable where we are now compared to where we were in the past.
And with the advancements in the technology in your products, such as the fibre laser, is it opening up new markets for you in regards to what you can manufacture on these new products?
I think it's opening new markets, but predominantly it's always our customer who is really demanding the faster, more efficiencies that they require to run their business. And in competitive markets such as sheet metal, they need to stay ahead of the game, and the way to stay ahead of the game is the increased productivity and speeds.
And you're certainly achieving that. Now, in regards to from a business perspective, how have you found the last 12 months?
I think coming into this year as the Managing Director, of course, I had some trepidation in regards to Brexit, but this year has completely taken myself and my team by surprise with the amount of orders we've received, and I can quite safely say now that I think this year will be a record year for our actual order intake, so I couldn't be happier right now, and as we come towards the end of our financial year, everything looks very, very positive.
Now you have a large portfolio of product, not just the lasers, but the press tools, additive manufacturing. The orders that you received, is it a mixed flow of orders?
It's been very mixed. I mean, this year we've had a very strange changeover from the sort of mid-range machines to the high-end machines, and that's both been with the lasers, where we've been very successful, but also with the TruBend, our bending products. And again, that's moved towards the 5 Series and the 7 Series machines, and that's been a real strong growth in comparison to the previous years.
And finally, what's in store for the future?
For the future, I think we now have to sort of consolidate and maintain our status quo with the business and continue pushing forward.